Everyone, today I am back with another video of the English grammar series, and today we are going to learn the topic degrees of comparison. But before starting, I would again like to say that if you want any tutorials for class 11, 12th commerce, GSCB, CBSE or ICSE board, BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA and many more other courses, then you can feel free to contact us on this number right here. So now let's get into our today's topic. Degrees of comparison. Objectives. To compare two or more things in a sentence. Like this thing is better than that or this thing is best in the world, etc. There are three types of degrees. The first degree is the positive degree. So in positive degree, when two or more nouns or pronouns are compared with each other and have same degree of quality is known as positive degree. It means that in positive degree there is no change of degree, or you can say class. Then the second one is comparative degree. In comparative degree, when two or more nouns or pronouns are compared with each other and have different degree of quality is known as comparative degree. So in this degree there are different classes of persons or things. And the third one is the superlative degree. In superlative degree, when one noun or pronoun is compared with more than one noun or pronoun, like a group or class of its own kind having different degree of quality is known as superlative degree. It means that we are comparing one person with the whole class or the whole group. Now, there are three types of degrees. We understand that. How will be the questions asked to you in the exams be like? You will be given a sentence to complete by using the proper degree, or you will have to convert this sentence into other degree, or you will have to convert this sentence into the other two degree which is given. Complete the sentence. She is dash than her in all the topics. Good. So it will be given to you like this, and you will have to identify that what should you put in the blank, or we can say what degree of the word you need to put. So here we can see that two persons are being compared. So this is a comparative degree sentence. And so we will put the comparative form of the word good in the bracket. So the answer will be better. Good, better, best. Better is the comparative degree, so the answer is better. Change the degree of the sentence. Ganga is the longest river of India. So this is a sentence we can see. It is of superlative degree. We will convert this sentence into comparative. It will be defined to you or even not defined to you. In case it is not defined to you, you better change both of the sentences. You better change the sentence into the both other degrees. Ganga is longer than any other river of India. Third, convert the sentences into two other degrees. Bhagavad Gita is holier than any other book in the world. So we can now see that this sentence is in positive degree. So we will have to convert this sentence into superlative and comparative degree. So we will convert them into comparative and superlative. No other book is as holy as Bhagavad Gita in the world. This is comparative. Bhagavad Gita is the holiest book in the world. This is superlative. Now, there are four types of sentences in degree of comparison: singular number, plural number, negative and plural, and two individuals. First is singular number. First, I will show you the singular number formation of the sentences of degree of comparison. In positive degree in singular number, you will have to use this formation no other as. Then, in comparative degree, you will have to use than any other. And in superlative, you will have to use the est. The est is the formation. Now in the positive degree of plural number, there is very few as the formation. In the comparative degree, it is than most other. And in the superlative degree, one of the est. You have to keep writing these formations. Go back into the video and write all these formations. Negative and plural. Positive. In positive, negative, and plural, some other at least as is the formation. In the comparative, not er then some other is the formation. Then in the superlative degree, the formation is not the est of all. Now in the two individuals, positive is not as, comparative is then, and superlative is not there in these two individuals. So there is no superlative in the two individuals. Now I will show you some words with all the three degrees and all their types also. First is rule number 1, more most rule. So in more most rule, you will have more than six words which you will have to use more and most while converting into comparative and superlative degree. You can pause the video, take a screenshot, and then write it down in your notebook. Exceptions in this are clever, strong, exact, severe, etc. These are exceptions, and so in these exceptions, you will not add more and most before them. Rule number 2, if there are three letters, then repeat the last consonant letter, and add er and est for comparative and superlative degree respectively. So it is saying that FAT, three letters. So we have to double the letter T. We doubled the letter T, and we also have to add ER in comparative and EST in the superlative. Take a screenshot, please. Okay, let's move further. The exceptions in these are thin, etc. Now, for the rule number 3, if the consonant Y is used as the end of the word, IER and IEST are used to change the degree. This is simple. If there is Y, then you just have to convert it into IER or IEST. So, please take a screenshot. Okay, let's move further. Rule number 4. The adjectives ending with E take R and ST to the change of the degree. So it is saying that when they end with E, you just need to add R in comparative and ST in superlative degrees. Please take a screenshot. Okay, let's move further. General adjectives take ER or EST to change the degree. So these are the general adjective positive types. So they will just take ER or EST as the changes. No use of ER and EST in regular adjectives. In case there is one person and his own two qualities are compared, she is more kind than clever. For rule number 1, the adjective should not end with Y. Please take a screenshot. Okay, let's move further. This is the last one. In this, these are LBH degree forms. So in LBH degree forms, what will happen that you will have to learn by heart these all the words because they do not have any rules. They are by their own kind. So please take a screenshot and don't remember to learn all these, we can say, degree words. Okay, let's move further into the singular number examples. Singular number, positive. No other river is as long as Ganga in India. We can notice the word no other and as here. If you check out the formation in your notebook, which you had written first, you will see that these sentences will match to those formations. Comparative. Ganga is longer than any other. See, er and then any other. Okay? And the superlative is Ganga is the longest river of India. The est. Now let's move into the second sentence. Positive. No other book is as holy as Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is holier than any other book in the world. And Bhagavad Gita is the holiest book in the world. One more example. No other comedian was as famous as Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was more famous than any other comedian. Charlie Chaplin was the most famous comedian. Now the plural number examples. Positive. Very few rivers are as long as Yamuna in India. So we can see here that very few is there and as is here. So if you check out the formation of this sentence and the formation which I had explained further, you will find that they both match. In comparative, Yamuna is longer than most other rivers of India. There is ER and then most other. And in superlative, Yamuna is one of the longest rivers in India. One of the and EST. This is the formation. Second example, very few cities are as busy as Shanghai in Asia. Shanghai is busier than any other cities of Asia. Shanghai is one of the busiest cities in Asia. Third example, very few men are as rich as Bill Gates in the world. Bill Gates is richer than most other men in the world. Bill Gates is one of the richest men in the world. Now the negative and plural sentences. In positive, some other supermarts are as large as Big Bazaar. Some other as. This is the formation if you check in the notebook. In comparative, Big Bazaar is not larger than some other supermarkets. Then some other and ER are the formation here. And in superlative, Big Bazaar is not the largest of all the supermarts. Is not the EST of all the no not the EST of all. It is the formation. Now the second example. Some other contestants were at least as splendid as Peter. Peter was not more splendid than some other contestants. Peter was not the most splendid contestant of all. Now let's see the third example. Some other were at least as brave as warriors. Hercules was not braver than some other warriors. Hercules was not the bravest of all the warriors. Now the two individuals. Positive. The Arabic Ocean is not as deep as the Atlantic Ocean. As in as. Then in the comparative sentence, the Atlantic Ocean is deeper than the Arabian Sea. Just than is the word here. 1 minute. Then positive. Dick was as tall as John in this team. Dick was as tall as John in this team. As then John was not taller than Dick on this team. There is no superlative in this. We saw that in the formations. Positive. Grammar is as difficult as arithmetic. Arithmetic is not more difficult than grammar. This was it for the first part of the degrees of comparison. We learnt all the 3 degrees and 4 types of sentences which come under them. And In the next part, we are going to do an exercise in which we will understand these degrees and types of sentences more. So, wait until then. And till then, goodbye.